Hey guys, and welcome back to the Poke Social Club. It's Daddy Snorlax.
And Mini Charmander.
That's right, and today is round 3 and what could be our final round of the Darkness Falls pack battle bash. We've got 4 packs as chosen by Mini Charmander. Center Scorch
2
first.
Charizards as well.
Yep, Eternatus and 2 Charizards. We need to pull something out of the bag. We are, I think, bottom of the league. I'll flash the league up on the screen as it is right now. Going into the final round before the semis. Shall we pull 4 Charizards? Let's go.
Yeah.
Well, we'll try.
If we don't, then.
Yeah. It's all about taking part, right? Incorrect. It's all about winning. Right, ready.
Water Energy. Powerful Energy. Soul Rock.
Steamy.
Steely. Tauros. Rookedy. Larry Mr. Mime. Electrike. Dino. Gollet.
Gollet, which is
Please say that again.
Alexa. And a Heatran. So that's 1 point. Again, follows our normal theme of getting
Hollow.
a white card but only 1 point hollows. 1 point, better than no points. We had quite a few packs of Darkness Ablaze to choose from for our final pack. Yeah, that was a different colour to the rest. So, needless to say, we've probably chosen the wrong ones.
Energy.
Yep.
Birdkeeper. Sora. Relicanth. Bonsweet. Snubble. Meltan. Bunnelby on drugs.
Yeah.
Paras. Pansear.
Chinpokoman. And ooh!
Galarian.
Galarian Slowbro V. So that's
He's so cute.
2 points. That's a card I've not actually seen before, I don't think, or very rarely. That is a good.
Cute.
That is cute. So that's 3 points.
He's a Galarian.
3 points with 2 packs left. Tell you what, could be our best ever. Right, here we go. Pack number 3.
Electric Energy. Combuskin. Glimwood Tangle. Lairon. Wishy Washy. Cutafan or Qfan, whichever you want to say it. Dino. Pansear. Marie. Pupitar.
Pupitar, which is an uncommon. It's pretty cool, nicely hand drawn. Oh, there we go. Salamence Rainbow Rare VMAX. This is something we pulled in Japanese, in the Infinity Zone, I think. I'll link it on the eye above, but I'll tell you what, I can't remember. Is that 5 points or 6 points? I think it's 5 points, if I remember rightly. So that's not a bad start. It's not a bad third pack, is it? I think Galarian Slowbro, you can sit over there.
Now.
You can go now. That is
A rainbow.
a Rainbow Rare Salamence.
He's so cute.
Okay, 1 pack left.
One pack. Now, if I look how he's on, then yes. If it doesn't, then
Gold card needed.
gold card needed right now.
Charizard needed.
Charizard needed. Energy. Kabu. Simisage. Vanillish. Rookedy. Wishy Washy. Pansage. Tauros. Diglett.
Then
Oh my god, that's
So
so
cute. no points. Right, ready?
Shaking.
Oh, an Arc Result,
Why
which is
does
a
he-
rare, so that's a
why
1
d-
point.
Why does he look like he's in like a fish? He's bathing in a fish.
Don't know what he's doing. So we've got. Oh, can't pick him up. 1 point, 2 point, 4 points, and 5 points, I think.
9 points.
Well done, 9 points. There we go. After 1 week of schooling, her maths has improved incredibly. So that's probably our best round we've ever had.
Yeah.
I would say. Good picking, Mini Charmander. Well done.
Thank you.
Thumbs up for that one. So that gives us 9 points, as you said. Yep.
Yeah.
And we'll see where that takes us at the end of round 3. Will it get us into the semis? Will we have a semi? Oh, who knows? Anyway, that's it from Mini Charmander and Daddy Snorlax. Sorry, I took your thunder there. That's me. That's all from
How dare
Daddy.
you?
I know. I got excited. Doesn't take much. That's all from Daddy Snorlax today, and
Mini Charmander.
we'll see you.
My voice now.
I did. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye.